There are a bunch of exercises that you can do to strengthen your grip, especially if you've got small hands like me. One way to use the tonal to strengthen your grip is by doing an isolated chin-up hold. So make sure that the weight is on. You're gonna grab with your wrist facing towards you. You can also do this on a lat pull-down bar, and then pull the bar underneath your chin. Elbows are down here by your ribcage, and you're just holding here for as long as you can. Luckily, we've got the time under tension counter on our screen. What I'm doing is I'm bringing my shoulder blades together. I'm driving the elbows down. I'm really activating back muscles and bicep muscles here, but I'm also really holding on with my hands. And we're trying to work up to as long of a hold as possible here. You can also do this on a pull-up bar and just use your body weight as your hanging weight. And then when you've reached your limit, control the bar back up and then record the time that you were able to make it to. Bottoms up kettlebells is another way to improve grip strength. We're gonna start with marches. So grab your kettlebell in the middle of the handle, and then you wanna get it up here so that the bottom is up towards the ceiling. Keep your elbow in close for now, because as you notice, this is wobbling a lot, and my hand is having to grip to make sure that I balance. To start off with, do marches in place. For starters, this will be challenging enough. It's not the marching that's hard, it's the shifting of your weight and keeping this balanced kettlebell here. Progressing from the kettlebell bottoms up march, we can do a bottoms up kettlebell reverse lunge. Oh, this is my party side. This side hasn't practiced as much. I'm still balancing the belt up on its end, and then I'm gonna come into a reverse lunge and back up. Now the lunge is not the hard part. The hard part is keeping this kettlebell bottoms up and not falling in towards my face. Remember, this hand is always here for your protection, so if the bell starts to fall, you can just catch it. Another exercise that I love to strengthen my grip, especially because I have small hands and I'm a pole dancer, are using these little tools, and you can get them on Amazon. I'll put them in the comments. The first one, you fit all of your fingers and your thumb into this band structure, and then practice extending and releasing. It's a really small movement, but if we're always gripping our hands here, we don't strengthen the muscles in the other direction, right? We strengthen everything in the opposite direction with all other muscle groups. We gotta do the same with our grip. I also like to hold all 4 fingers here and then practice doing 1 finger at a time, pulling up against that band. That's another one you can do. The ring finger, that's your weakest finger. It barely moves at all for me. That's okay, I keep practicing. And then the kit that I'm gonna recommend for you also comes with these squeezers, and these are great for practicing your grip in the usual direction. But you can also practice pinching 2 fingers at a time. Oh, that ring finger really wants to get help from the other hand. Look at my other hand is like trying to help me out here. You can also put all of your fingers into the middle of this hole and then try to press the hole open. Try to press that circle open. This hand keeps trying to do it at the same time. So my fingers, they're barely moving at all, but they are working to press this open. So those are a great other tool to strengthen your grip for small hands. If this grip strength video was helpful, I'm Coach Natalie Carey. Give me a subscribe, give me a like, continue being excellent to yourself today.